Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata Di. I am Jaswinder Singh, founder of JS Fleet, an initiative to guide and train young deck cadets to become future deck officers. So today we'll be discussing about the assessment process of second mates exam. So assessment is basically a process in which your documents are verified before you can apply for your exams. So here is the assessment checklist. So firstly, you will have to go on the DG website, and in your profile you will have to pay your fees, and the fees cost is around 3000 rupees. So once that is paid, you can see here in the checklist, the first line here, the first item is the assessment online payment receipt. So you have to attach a receipt as well. Then you have to maintain a file of all these documents. That file is a normal hard copy file. You have to make a copy of all these documents, and in that file you have to attach it serial wise like that only. And then in some MMDs they have a specific color for each file, like second mates will have a color of, let's say, yellow. For chief mates file they will decide a color, let's say green. So like that, for every MMD the color is different, that you will know from your peers or in your WhatsApp group, whatever you are added in. So you will get to know about that. And then in the same color file you have to maintain a document, like a copy of all these documents, and you have to send this file to the MMD. So once this file is received in the MMD, you will get to know about the status of assessment in your DG profile. So it will be showing like, okay, they have received your file and it's in verification process. So once the verification is done, they will tell you, okay, your assessment is approved, now you are eligible to book your exams. So then you can go ahead on the DG profile, and then you can book your orals as well as your writtens. So first you will book your writtens. Once your writtens are clear, then you can go ahead and apply for your orals. And then here, yeah, once approved, you can book your exams. So let's go through the checklist quickly. So for written assessment, we'll start from here. So firstly, you can see name of the MMD. So whatever MMD you are applying from, Chennai, Noida, Mumbai, here you will write. Then your name, your endorsed number, date of birth, email ID, all the basic information is here. Then in the main checklist, you can see this is divided into three parts. For written, this one is for rating stream. If anybody is giving from GP rating, then he has to attach these 4 extra documents. And then for orals, these are the documents required. So let's go through it quickly. So first one is the assessment online payment receipt printout copy. Then there is form 29, which you will fill up in your DG profile only. Then there is C service letter from the ship owner. So this C service letter you will get from your company. You will have to ask your company, and they will send you the official C service letter, which is stamped and approved by the company. Then articles of agreement copies. This, if you have it with you, then it's well and good. Otherwise you will have to again ask your company to send you the articles of agreement of all the ships that you have done. Let's say you have done 3 ships, so you will be attaching here 3 articles of agreement. Okay, then seafarer employment agreement. This is also similar like this. In case you have done 2 or 3 ships, you will have to attach for each ship. Then then we are here, master checker copy of sea service. Then when you go in your master checker, you will have to take a printout of all the pages and attach here. Then the SSTP completion certificate in case of DNS candidates. So in case of DNS, once your writtens and everything is over for the semester, like for the 3, 4, 5 semester, whatever your writtens and orals are conducted by your pre-C institute, then you will be given an SSTP certificate. So you have to attach a copy of that certificate as well. Then a valid medical certificate and eyesight test report. So in case your medical report is valid, you can attach that. Otherwise you can have a medical test conducted and then attach that medical certificate. Then essential pages of cadet record book for DNS and BSc candidate. Original CRB will be verified during the oral examination. So the original main TRB, what you have, your whatever you call it, training record book or your cadet record book, that landscape file that opens in landscape mode, that file you have to keep it with you and you have to carry it during your oral exams. But the main essential pages, you have to attach it here. All the pages in which your specimen signatures are there, like your bridge watchkeeping record are there, all those record pages you have to attach a copy here. Then record of 6 months bridge watchkeeping duties documented in approved record book copies. So you have to attach here then DG approved pre-C course completion certificate, then your 10th or 12th mark sheet you have to attach, then all this basic training courses like the PST and elementary first aid, FPFF, PSSR, copies of all these certificates also you have to attach. Then the relevant pages of your CDC where you have got the stamps of your ship, like whatever ships you have done, so that will be verified as your sea time. Then your passport front and last page, your endorsed copy, and then second mate's 4 months function course. This is only applicable for DNS course, like this is only applicable for DNS cadets and not for BSc cadets, because they are exempted from the 4 months function course. And then additionally for GP rating stream, there are these 4 documents: letter of eligibility issued by the MMD and copy of that, the foundation course pass certificate from institute or DGS, then this course certificate and the pass certificate. Then for the orals, again these are the following documents that you need to prepare. Firstly is the online receipt. So for the writtens the receipt is different, for the orals your receipt is different. For writtens, for 6 written exams the amount is 500 per paper, so it will be 3000 rupees, and for orals it is 1000 per paper, so 3 orals, so 3000 rupees again. Then all the advanced courses certificates, whatever you have done, all the 7 advanced courses, you have to attach a copy of that, and your degree, like whatever degree you have got from IMU, your BSc degree, or if it's the DNS course, then your applied in BSc nautical science degree you have to attach here. Then you have to sign here, and this checklist also you have to attach as the first page of your file, and then this file you have to courier and send it to your MMD. So likewise, once this process is done and complete, and once you get your verification done and it is shown on your DG status, DG profile status, then you can go ahead and book your orals.
Just now you saw that a young third officer Jaswinder Singh has written this fabulous book, a great initiative taken for the maritime industry, and I just hope that Babaji Kripa that he writes the other 2 books soon. And I'm just waiting that many more young people join and make sure that we give the right knowledge to the maritime fraternity. At one end, in the last 3 years, Merchant Navy Decoded has helped a lot of marine engineers and GP rating people with a lot of online content, which is helping them today earn respect on ship, whether it's related to how to read electrical circuit diagram, how to read manual diagrams, how does automation work. A lot of videos made on ship. Definitely, we lagged with the deck side packages, but now we have worked on that. So we have come along with packages on ROR. We have come along with packages on specifically made for candidates who are about to join their first ship as a deck cadet, and many more. Why don't you just go to the link given in the description box and the pinned comment and see for yourself what all packages are available and how are they beneficial to you. Let's make a strong maritime community which is out there to earn respect on ship and make Indian maritime fraternity proud. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Mata.